Yeah, we got a 50% chance of rain today. Cloudy. That means we're going to have a 50% chance of having a great riding day. Nah, it looks good. It looks good. Did you ever send the picture to the kid you bought it from?
Yeah, yeah.
You should drive down there one day and say, hey, want to buy your bike back?
I did a wonderful job.
Yeah, he did a nice job. It is nice. Now I know that's a real Brembo one. That's not from China, right?
A big, 5 feet long.
Yeah, the ShopRite one. Wow. Yeah. That adds a nice touch. That's nice. How much did that cost?
30 bucks.
30?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good price.
You can't beat that.
No. Does it come with this clamp already? Or you got to make the clamp?
The clamp was already there when I got it back.
Oh. Maybe I should get one for my RD. That would look good on the RD, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, 30 bucks. That's pretty good.
Right, that.
Is that the new one? Like the beginner bike? Entry bike, whatever they call it?
Yeah.
Look at nice wheels, spoke wheels.
They use it in motor vehicles.
Yeah, motor vehicles. Hey. Where's your new bike?
My new bike, which one?
I don't know. How many you got coming? This is a new model?
New Motor Guzzi.
A new Guzzi. You gonna
Look
let
it
me
up.
ride it?
Yeah, like, of course I'll let you ride. Why wouldn't I?
I'm an expert rider. I only crashed 4 times this year.
Of course I'll let you ride.
I come at the back as a no tires, like a motocross.
This is a scrambler. They call it the
scramble.
scrambler.
Oh, okay.
It's scrambled eggs. So it's time for our scrambled egg breakfast here. Those clouds, it's supposed to rain this afternoon, you know.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. That's nice. That is really nice.
Yeah.
That's the muffler you need, like your monster.
The shorty.
That's the tuna can muffler. Wow.
Yeah, a bit too loud.
Wow, I bet that's nice and quiet.
Yeah.
Looks like Kenny Roberts is up here today. Check it out. I like that jacket. Wow. Nice. Nice jacket. Oh, now you're cooking with gas here. Beautiful. Beautiful.
In the summertime, I always see them on the Palisades.
Really? I can't remember the last time I saw hitchhikers.
Mindy, what the hell are you doing?
He's doing videos.
I gotta make a living somehow. I gotta supplement. You finally got a bike, huh?
Yes.
Good girl.
Thank you.
Gotta make a living. Living.
I heard you don't have to make a living.
I was the first person that ever had a video camera in New Jersey.
You're kidding me.
The bike, huh? After all these years?
After all these years, I finally got the bike.
All right.
I want to be with the cool guys.
All right. You happy with it?
Very happy.
Good, good,
I need
good.
a powerful bike by next year.
You don't need it. Listen. Even Pokey doesn't need a powerful bike.
No, I don't. I'm out of that stuff.
I'm happy with 40, 50 horsepower the most.
Okay.
How much does this have? This would have more than what I have. Are you kidding me?
No. I need the thing.
These are hard. They
Yes.
make spongy, whatever the hell they call them.
I'm going to Cycle Gear in Hasbrook Heights to get a helmet today. So
So you can stop by his house. He lives right around.
I live right by Cycle Gear.
Oh, okay.
Then when you
So
steer,
if I
You can
see
stop in and see my grandson. I got to babysit this afternoon.
I'm glad you called him your grandson instead of the baby.
He's not a baby anymore.
Nope, not at 7. He's a big.
And when is your daughter coming home? When is she coming home from Cape May? I'm still getting pictures from Cape May.
I sent him out this morning.
I know, I got him this morning.
my son boss has a
That's really nice. Wow, he just worked on one of these.
Ducati
Beautiful.
Monster with the chrome plated
Intermediate. Yeah, pull that off. Put the expert on it. We'll get you an expert sticker. Don't worry about it. Is this the same one?
Why? It's nice. That's good for,
For the beginners, come on, man.
No, it's very technical.
Yeah, that's good. Very parking lot is a nightmare. A parking lot.
It is a nightmare. It's a fucking nightmare.
Yeah, Luciano just worked on one of these. Tricolore.
Next month I'm gonna be.
Tricolore.
I never been.
Oh,
It's nice.
oh yeah, when you go there.
When you go to Pocono, you're not going to want to go back to that place.
Really? I wanted to.
You gotta go to the one southwest New Jersey.
Luciano's talking him into. I think he gets a commission when he talks people into going to Pocono. But we got a Pocono track day coming up. Well, he does, not me. I have a babysitting day. Yeah. This is the first day. There's more Ducatis than all other bikes combined. You know what the reason is? When you go to Ducati, they give them away. They don't even want money anymore. They just give you one. Buy one and get 3 free, like bagels.
I know the story.
Even Bob's gonna get one. So did you talk him into it? Listen, Mateo, I talked to your girlfriend.
I got
And
2 customers.
she's gonna go and teach you how to ride at Pocono. You could go with him. You guys could Ducati it up. You're gonna take your $9.99, right?
Is this going online somewhere?
Of course. What are you kidding? It's going to the FBI,
Because I have 5
the
girlfriends.
Interpol. It's going everywhere.
They shouldn't know.
Even Ducatis away, they're absolutely free. Not a try. Don't even charge you for them.
77.
All right, Dad. See you later. That is cool. I like
the one from the
orange
70s?
one.
Remember the one
Yeah,
from the
that's the
70s?
one. The flat
Yeah, but
tracker.
it's a piece of shit.
Well, who cares? It's the fun of bragging about it that matters.
With the big.
Yeah, that the muffler.
No, the air filters.
That's the one mule that came up here this week.
I haven't seen it.
He's coming back in business.
What, a
Is
mule,
he?
a mule like yours?
How are you?
Coming through in R1 blue. Check this out. Oh, John Cafaro, eat your heart out. Wow, look at this.
There's a guy that used to go up to Danbury, had an original Cobra.
I have a friend that built a kit Cobra.
That's what that was.
Buddy Weeder. Yeah, what a beautiful car. Wow.
Yeah, even the kid cars are pretty cool.
So we didn't get any rain today. We beat the rain. We got to ride behind Luciano's restored Ducati Monster. Got to see Mateo, a couple of other select friends, and every day out on our old restored Kawasaki. It's just more fun than you can imagine. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks a lot for watching.